Welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Yeah, the HOH. I know some of you will be asking, what is HOH? Head of House Game. It was mad, oh.
And tonight's winner is Peace.
Okay, the Biggie act gives the housemates some facts. No, was it a tax? It wasn't a tax. It was a tax. It's a game. All of them learn here. Game inside game. Okay, and yeah, they started up the game, and for you to start the game, you have to have a 6 on the dice. It was difficult for many of them to go that far because at number 4 there was a serious obstacle. Actually, they had to blow balloon balloon. It's not easy. That balloon balloon, I know it's one small chocolate balloon balloon. If you don't have pressure, you cannot blow it. But it was so easy for White Money. White Money was the only person that blew the balloon very easily because oh no, Toby is big very well. So the pressure from his belly, everything just enter the balloon, it didn't come out once. Okay, at the end of the game, okay, before then, Maria actually did well in the game. She was the very first female to get the highest point, which was 15, to get to the highest, but without a barrier she got there. But one of the mistakes she made, why she didn't really go for, was that she had a 6 and she played another number. That was that on that. But Peace overshined her with just 1 mark. Peace had a 16 and she had a 15, which made Peace the HOH. Yeah, which made Peace the very first head of house in the Bbnaija season 6 Shine Your Eye game. Yeah, so it's no longer news that Peace is our head of house. And yeah, you should know this thing about Big Brother, that the head of house is going to pick his or her assistant, and his or her assistant must be the opposite. So if you're the female that wins, your assistant must be a male. If you are the male that wins, your assistant must be a female. Here goes. Who is Peace Peaky? Chala. Peace actually picked Yousef. Yousef is the assistant HOH, and it was an exciting moment for the housemates because it was their first game in the house, although it's not their first task because they are still on their first task. It's still on Sunday before we know what to happen on the first task. Okay, but this brings me down to thinking, because I feel you cannot be compatible, or you can't feel that you're going to be comfortable with someone if you don't have the feeling of you liking the person, you crushing on the person, or you seeing the person to be an item in your life. That's what I think, in my own opinion. So will I be right to say that Peace is crushing on Yousef? Guys, or she's liking Yousef, or she's seeing Yousef as an item, or what? For her to have picked Yousef out of the numerous guys, out of the plenty guys, she picked Yousef. Well, it's not well, she couldn't have picked everybody, but for her to have picked Yousef, and Yousef, Lobaton was even sitting in the extreme, and she's standing in the extreme here, and she you know that. I leave that to you guys, my wonderful people, to comment in the comment section down below. Let's vibe together, roll, and hear what you have to say as regarding Peace picking Yousef. Yeah, she had 80 karat gold chain. It's very fine, seriously. As a first head of house, it's an honor, it's a privilege.
I'm with it. No, it's in there. Fucking 18 karat girl, mate. Listen.
And then the Big Brother actually gave the room and the housemates opportunity to visit. Everybody can enter the HOH house. Yes, lounge, room, was whichever one. Everybody can enter, just between the one of the HOH being picked and day 2. So after that, movement restriction are restricted. You can't enter there, and you're not allowed to sleep in the HOH house. So once it's light out, you're expected to be at your bed point, except for the HOH. Yeah, guys, this is this on the HOH as the first HOH for the Big Brother NAIJA season 6. Shine your eyes, peace, peace. Stand up for the champion, for the champion. I don't know how to sing. Stand up. Okay, guys, stay tuned to this channel. See your number one favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. If you're yet to subscribe, do well to click the subscription button down below. Like, just give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and turn on your notification bell. Until next time, guys, stay glued. Bye.